Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the ultimate Guess the Tree quiz challenge? Test your vocabulary with 85 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word genius. Please watch the video till the end and comment your score below. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. What's the name of this tree? Oak. Let's see if you can guess this one. Mango. Can you guess this tree correctly? Maple. What's the name of this tree? Papaya. Let's see if you can guess this one. Pine. 5 down. Well done. Keep going. Can you guess this tree correctly? Birch. What's the name of this tree? Cedar. Let's see if you can guess this one. Neem. Can you guess this tree correctly? Redwood. What's the name of this tree? Banana. Let's see if you can guess this one. Spruce. Can you guess this tree correctly? Fir. What's the name of this tree? Sequoia. Let's see if you can guess this one. Banyan. Can you guess this tree correctly? Willow. What's the name of this tree? Ash. Let's see if you can guess this one. Elm. Can you guess this tree correctly? Coconut. What's the name of this tree? Beech. Let's see if you can guess this one. Poplar. Can you guess this tree correctly? Sycamore. What's the name of this tree? Apple. Let's see if you can guess this one. Walnut. Can you guess this tree correctly? Palm. What's the name of this tree? Hickory. Well done, 25 down. Keep going. Let's see if you can guess this one. Date palm. Can you guess this tree correctly? Fig. What's the name of this tree? Magnolia. Let's see if you can guess this one. Olive. Can you guess this tree correctly? Redbud. What's the name of this tree? Dogwood. Let's see if you can guess this one. Jackfruit. Can you guess this tree correctly? Joshua tree. What's the name of this tree? Juniper. Let's see if you can guess this one. Yew. Can you guess this tree correctly? Hemlock. What's the name of this tree? Cypress. Let's see if you can guess this one. Alder. Can you guess this tree correctly? Lemon. What's the name of this tree? Aspen. Let's see if you can guess this one. Basswood. Can you guess this tree correctly? Blackthorn. What's the name of this tree? Rowan mountain ash. Let's see if you can guess this one. Hawthorn. Can you guess this tree correctly? Cherry. What's the name of this tree? Pear. Let's see if you can guess this one. Plum. Can you guess this tree correctly? Peach. 50 down. Awesome. Check out the description for English learning resources after watching this video. What's the name of this tree? Orange. Let's see if you can guess this one. Lime. Can you guess this tree correctly? Grapefruit. What's the name of this tree? Pomegranate. Let's see if you can guess this one. Avocado. Can you guess this tree correctly? Teak. What's the name of this tree? Eucalyptus. Let's see if you can guess this one. Breadfruit. Can you guess this tree correctly? Acacia. What's the name of this tree? Jacaranda. Let's see if you can guess this one. Ginkgo. Can you guess this tree correctly? Catalpa. What's the name of this tree? Paulownia. Let's see if you can guess this one. Tamarind. Can you guess this tree correctly? Sandalwood. What's the name of this tree? Douglas fir. Let's see if you can guess this one. Larch. Can you guess this tree correctly? Hornbeam. What's the name of this tree? Mulberry. Let's see if you can guess this one. Elder. Can you guess this tree correctly? Baobab. 75 down. Keep watching and comment your score below at the end of this video. What's the name of this tree? Holly. Let's see if you can guess this one. Lilac. Can you guess this tree correctly? Buckeye. What's the name of this tree? Horse chestnut. Let's see if you can guess this one. Pecan. Can you guess this tree correctly? Pistachio. What's the name of this tree? Almond. Let's see if you can guess this one. Macadamia. Can you guess this tree correctly? Guava. What's the name of this tree? Kapok. Let's see if you can guess this one. Mangrove. Can you guess this tree correctly? Blue spruce. What's the name of this tree? Tulip tree. Let's see if you can guess this one. Mahogany. Can you guess this tree correctly? Chestnut. What's the name of this tree? Cashew. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 85 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell, so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Boost your English with resources in the description. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!